Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. So unfortunately, my car is still getting worked on at the Legends Car Shop. I just don't have it, and because I've missed a few races, but I need to get the limp mode issue solved. So it just is what it is. But today I'm starting a new chapter. I watch a lot of the other YouTube racing guys like Landon Huffman and Tanner Holmes, I think his name is, that he races the dirt track cars. And I just watch them and, see how they have people helping them. And if you've watched my videos, my father helps me out a lot at the tracks down in Charlotte. But he lives in Charlotte, I live in Greensboro, and then there's a track in Raleigh and another track out here outside of Greensboro, and he just can't get here in time to help me race those tracks. So it's just I have to solve that. How is it just going to be me? And then also in a little bit here, you can see I have a shop here where I work on my own cars and I work on the race car when it's here, and it's just running this business. I'm in the room where we do all of our shipping, and this is my desk here where I do all my work. I'm just running out of time to work on the race car and everything. So I'm watching these guys and I see they always have guys helping them, and I don't know if that's people that are just helping out, volunteering, or people that he's paying to work. Landon Huffman, I guess I should say, someone like Landon Huffman, and other people, because running a business and running a race car and working on car projects is getting to be much for just me. I have to be in front of that computer because there's a lot of software stuff I do in a day, and it just eats up most of my time. So I've actually decided to hire someone I know, a young guy I know I've helped him with his Miatas and Hondas in the past, and he's going to start working for me at least one day a week, probably on Saturdays, and then move up to maybe working for me on Sundays or any other time he might have. And I might start bringing him to the track. We'll see how much of that he wants to do. His name's Jameson, and he'll be here in a little bit. I just beat him here to the shop today, and he should be here in a little bit here. But this is the only way I can figure it out, is just to get an extra set of hands in here and pay someone to help me work. I wish I had some really awesome friends that volunteered for free, but I really don't have anyone near me that's into cars. I don't really have any close friends that are up in this area either. So I'm from Charlotte. Most of my friends live in Charlotte and stuff. So, it is what it is. I've got to hire someone. And the reason I'm talking about this, because I've seen a lot of people talk about, I like your videos because you're giving a good account of what it takes to do what you're doing. And this is the truth. This is my realization here, that it takes more than just me to get this done, and stuff. And it's just a lot of work. Like, that's the one thing I will say with the even manage a Legend car, which is pretty much ready to go, other than fixing bumpers and oil. It's still a lot of work to do. So this is going to be the next step. This is what I'm going to have to do to advance further. And I have car projects I want to get done. I want to get my blue 2002 back on the road. I want to get, my father has an Austin Healey 3000. I want to get back on the road. We have this Subaru we need to get done flipped. I have a motorcycle that I need to get running, get it flipped. Two of them actually, and everything. So in a minute here, I'll introduce Jameson once he gets here. But today's video, we're not actually going to work on cars. It's really going to be about cleaning the shop. That's another thing. I'm a very clean person. I like to be very clean, but it's hard to when it's just you and you're working on projects and things spread out. And I bought the Legend car stuff and everything just came in and stuff. So today's goal is when he gets here, we're just working on finishing off a bathroom that's in the shop. So we have a bathroom to use in there, and just rearranging the shop and try to get it more organized. Because I really believe that organization is the key to getting projects done faster. When you come in, you got to look for 10 millimeter sockets, and you just can't find them anywhere. It's frustrating. You don't want to do the work and stuff. So the whole goal in today's video is just to get the shop clean and get it scrubbed out. I'll introduce you to Jameson when he gets here, and I'm hoping he's going to drive his Miata or one of his cars here today. I'll show you guys what that looks like, and yeah, we're just going to get after it. And that way in the next video, hopefully we're working on the Subaru, getting that done, getting the engine done in that, and then moving on to the 2002, and then a few other projects. So let me get going and I'll show you what's going on inside the shop. So this is currently what the shop looks like. This is where we keep all of our inventory and everything, and all of our shipping boxes and everything. We've got this corner over here we're going to clean up and try to organize better for storing other things. But as you can see, it's just kind of a mess in here right now. I actually have a tire rack that I can mount on the wall and a bunch of tires. A lot of this is Subaru parts, but then you know how it goes. You start throwing things on the table that don't really belong there. Here's one of my 2002s, the blue one. I popped the head gasket on that one. I just need to rebuild the engine and the top end of the engine. I already have a bottom that's ready to go. That's my first car I ever had, a 71 convertible Bug. This is another 2002 that I kind of want to build into a trackable car. My sink, this is the bathroom over here, and you see I have a bunch of spare drywall I need to get rid of, but that's what I'm going to get finishing off that today. And then you can just see here I have tables. This is my old race bike. Yeah, it's just a lot of mess in here. These are all the Legend car stuff that came with this. I need to organize this better. A lot of this stuff will end up in the trailer. I'm going to do a video in the trailer about setting it up for doing racing. But yeah, you can kind of see how like it's just a mess in here. I have a punching bag over there, right there, for not an actual punching bag, but a thing for one. I want to get that set up, get myself a punching bag to add to my exercise. My welder's all cramped in over here. So yeah, that's going to be the thing today, is just trying to reorganize this whole garage, clean everything up and stuff. I've got some water hose mounts to mount the water hose up there, but unfortunately they didn't come in time today to get working, to get them mounted today. But yeah, this is what him and I are going to be working on doing today, is just getting this whole thing organized and straightened up so it's easier for us to work and get jobs done in here. That looks awesome, man. All right, so Jameson's here. This is him. What car did you pull up in?
Lexus LS400.
And then you have a Miata.
Yep.
And then what's the Honda you have?
96 Civic hatch.
97. Yeah, he's got some pretty cool cars, some cars I've always enjoyed. So we're going to get hustling on just getting this place straightened up and getting everything done so we can work in a clean environment. And yeah, I'll show some videos of that as we go. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we got a ton of work done today, about 7 hours worth of work. You can see this area is all cleared up. Unfortunately, we did not get the tire racks mounted because I realized I really need some concrete anchors to put that in properly. But yeah, we got all this storage done and organized better. We got an easy up, which I'll post in here, that I swapped the tarp with the one with the busted frame. Got our midlife classic car signs hung. I haven't had those hung up since the car shows. This whole area has just been cleaned up. Got a bathroom done. The only thing is I gotta get some plugs in for the toilet and stuff. Some outlet switch plugs, but you know, got the bathroom done in here. Got a cabinet mounted. I have these old Volkswagen mats that I'm using here. I think that was pretty cool. I've had them on my Volkswagens when I was younger. Actually, it was this one right here. But you can see the shop's way more cleared out. Jameson's mounting some Volkswagen hubcaps up there for decoration. But we've got all these mounts. Our electrical cables are hanging, and got all this tidied up over here. So the pressure washer, we got water, we got air. I don't really use air that much anymore. So I don't really need a big tank, so that one does pretty fine. Another electrical cord. This all needs to get organized better, but a lot of that goes in the trailer once we do our trailer. I'm gonna do a video on setting up a race trailer. But yeah, got all this this is the big area. Like this was just a pile of mess through here. So that's all handled. Like you see the old banners. That's our original banner. I mean, that thing's gotta be pushing close to 30 years old almost. And then this was our last banner here we had when we were doing all the car shows and stuff. So yeah, the goal is working on the Subaru, get the engine finished with that, fix the SV650, get that sold, get the Subaru sold, redo the head on the 2002. That becomes my daily driver. and obviously working on the Legend race car and stuff. So that's the next few projects we've got going on here. And you can see it's not the biggest space in the world, but it's working for us. Okay, one thing I want to talk about is having Jameson here, having someone work with me. It really pushes me to get more work done. I've always been someone, I'm tight with my money. I watch every penny I spend. So when you have someone working for you that you're paying them, it just forces you to work harder. Well, at least for me, it does. You know, like I can't just be sitting around not doing anything if he's here. So we put 7 solid hours in today just working on getting this done. And, you know, I won't lie, if I was by myself, some of the things I couldn't have done by myself just because I needed help. And then others, I probably would have just lost motivation. So just having him here has really helped today as far as getting things done. And this is something, if you're thinking about having a race team or, you know, you work on cars, like really having a second second extra people, I don't know English, like extra people helping you, it just helps. I wish I lived closer to my parents to where my father could just come in and help me from time to time in here. But unfortunately he doesn't. And, you know, if you're on your own like I am now, it's just hard to get a lot of projects done by yourself. And this is just the thing I want you guys to realize, like, doing it by yourself is hard. It's hard. All right. And so this is just kind of a short video. I just wanted to do a little vlog one this week, and so I can keep my videos going. Hopefully we'll get the Legend car soon and do some more videos on that. And I'm going to do some videos on the Subaru here and everything and stuff. So we'll get back to that. But don't forget to check out midlifeclassiccars.com right there for all your shop manual book needs. We have a bunch of new shop manuals about to come into stock soon here for more classic cars, some factory original shop manuals. So we're really excited about that. So check us out, Midlife Classic Cars. We always ship in boxes so your books don't get damaged. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.